HiRevz Media is sponsored by Born to Ride Motorcycle Magazine. Check out borntoride.com. Right, guys, so here is our new project. Gonna keep on building this thing. So it was originally built by Greg. Well, I guess originally, somebody ordered this out of a catalog in the late 70s and then made this thing work out. But now a whole bunch of parts have been bolted on by Greg. These are the tires that were originally on Greg's Baja that we've got some videos of. A lot of other pieces came off of there. And the engine here is an 1835. And Greg built this one. It's a little crummy right now, but he actually did a really good job. This thing is a beast. And it's got the dual carbs on there, everything like that. But we also have a full turbo kit. Check this out. So that's a full turbo kit that Greg built and had it on this thing and running it, and then ended up taking it off because really it makes ungodly amounts of power for what it is already, and with the turbo it gets kind of crazy. But I want to do a street buggy and get rid of the off-road stuff, make it more street rideable. And but anyway, so the orange bug is gone. That one's actually Greg's now. And then I got this, and I got back my old XL 250 Honda, the 72 model. So show you that. So I got it back now too. We're gonna do some playing around with this thing. So we've got some other seats, got some other wheels and tires, all kinds of good stuff. Look at my leg right here. This is how tight it is. So I've definitely got to change some stuff. Move the steering wheel, maybe change the seats around. Got some stuff to try that with. So. trail run. Thing's way better than a four-wheeler or an RTV. But you can drive it anywhere. Woo! Oh crap, this thing's way too fast.
Can you drive it in the water though?
Huh?
Can you drive it in the water though?
No. Oh gosh. Oh man, my dog. Man, this road is rough. Oh. Whoa. Slow down, slow down. Woo, woo. Man.
Oh crap.
Oh yeah. Well, let's see if we can go back. Hey, reverse works. Ooh, stop, stop, stop. Oh shoot. It'll spin for sure. Yes.
Look at that.